Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how I created this stunning crochet braids look. Let's get started. So for this hair, I've already weaved my hair off camera. Like I've weaved my hair like 2 days ago before I filmed this video to prep it. Super easy. So for this style, I'm using kinky hair from Nectar. It is perfect for this natural vibe, and I'm also using my crochet too. So yeah, I started at the back of my head. Let me show you the first two sections in detail. I took a small section, looped the Nectar kinky hair with my crochet tool and secured it tightly so it doesn't move. I did another one right next to it to get the hang of it so you guys can basically see how it looked. And yeah, all right, so I am going to jump from this one to the completion of the back because this is what I did basically all through the back. So I'm going to show you how it turned out. This is really nice and full. I love how the kinky hair looks. It is soft and it blends well with my hair, and I just basically love how light it looks. So now let's move to the front. I took a section like the remaining hair from the Nectar kinky hair. So I took that. This time I'm not looping the hair. I'm not looping the hair because I want to create half up, half down hairstyle look. So I'm just basically going to be using a fancy colorful rubber to tie it. Like I took a chunk of that hair and just tie it with my hair after I had tied my hair in like a pony style, so just to secure it really well. So I'm going ahead to use the rubber to secure the Nectar kinky hair. That will make it well secured. I'm going around it a couple of times just so it doesn't pull off. Yeah, and once I'm done with that, I am going to style it by fluffing it out a bit just to give it that voluminous look. I'll just tug it here and there, just do some finishing touches to the hair just to make sure it looks perfect. And I'm also going to go ahead and secure that part, more like I'll hide the part where the rubber is showing through. So I'm using another small piece of that kinky hair to conceal that part, just to cover it up and to give that part a more high ponytail type of look. And like I said, once I am done with that, I'll fluff it out here and there and to make sure it looks voluminous. And you can see, guys, it looks beautiful. So I went ahead to use a bobby pin to secure it at the back so that if there's any gap between my hair and the kinky, is not going to show, guys. It looks really beautiful, and this is how I basically do my crochet braid whenever I want to have something like this. This is the easiest way to make it. So to keep them fresh, use a light oil spray and slip with a satin bonnet just to keep it in shape. So guys, shop the Nectar kinky hair or any other kinky hair on my Amazon storefront, link in my bio. Don't forget to like, comment your fave style and subscribe to more videos like this one. I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Mwah.